So this is a course in Rise. And what I've done, I've added a code block. So I've added the custom code block in Rise. And I'm integrating with a code editor. It's like a code validator. It's called ACE. This was a question in the e-learning heroes forum. I thought that'd be interesting to use with the custom code block. Turns out you can totally do it. And right now I'm just validating CSS. I find this interesting. I'm working on a course for mostly instructional designers who are learning CSS. And so right now you can see it's already giving me an error. I need an L brace, but if I do, let me just turn this into actual CSS. And it's adding some highlighting and formatting to my CSS, which is cool. I'll just do border, 1px, solid red. And you can see the error went away. That's properly formatted as CSS. But you can do all kinds of languages. I'll just switch it real quick to, so they call it the mode. I'll go to JavaScript. And I'm still in the admin. I haven't even hit preview yet. It works in the admin. Gives me a live preview. And now you can see, okay, so it reset my code. So I'm missing stuff. So, and I'm just going to do a comment. That's called commenting in JavaScript. You can just do // and then I can write my JavaScript and it will validate it. It's not going to execute the CSS or the JavaScript. It's just validating that code that my learners can input. So yeah, you can do it. I think that answers the question. Originally came from Valeria in eLearning Heroes. Is there a way to create, validate whether a learner solution is correct? Actually, I think with ACE, we're just scratching the surface here. I think you can actually tell it to check for more specific things and actually validate, a couple lines of code if you want. I don't know. I haven't looked into all the documentation, but it's kind of cool that we can put this code validator in here. And if you're new to the custom code block, that's what I call it. Articulate started calling it custom code block, but now it seems like they also call it just code block, not to be confused with code snippet block. But most people just call this code block. Until now, we have an actual code block, which sometimes is called custom code block. It's confusing. They should have just called this the HTML block, because that's what it is until you add a script tag. Like here, this is JavaScript, but until you add a script tag, it's just HTML. Or a style tag that's CSS. So I think that would avoid some of the confusion, because people, even in the forum, they're using the terms interchangeably for, we've got custom block, which I'm not even showing here. Then we have custom code block or code block. I guess even Articulate uses it interchangeably. And then this, I guess, is known as code snippet block. But anyway, and also, I'm kind of surprised Articulate staff, Eric, did not mention that. Guess who else uses ACE code editor? Do these errors This validation, does that look familiar to anybody? Let me mess up my code here. It's the same library. So Rise, or Articulate, is using the ACE code editor in their admin. I'm surprised someone from Articulate didn't jump in and recommend using ACE. But it seems to work well. I'll probably put this on my site theme 360 with the full code that you can copy into the custom code block or code block, whatever you want to call it.